In this experiment, we will learn to suck up water with the help of a wick. Take a plastic bottle. Take another plastic bottle with red color. Now, take a wick and place it on both the bottles. Leave it for some hours. You'll see the water getting transferred in another bottle. In this experiment, we learned that the molecules of water are attracted to each other and create surface tension. And with the help of gravity, the water is transferred.